nanzi indaba zakho zokuphela komnyaka zesiNdebele esikwethulela zona ukusuka bunqopha emzimkhulu wezorhatsha e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg asihlangule ngezijujilelo.
I wish you a happy and blessed new year. May God continue to bless South Africa and protect its people.
Umengameli welizwe uCyril Ramaphosa ufisela amaSewula Afrika umnyaka omuhle ka-2026 uthi umnyaka ka-2025 beungasimnandi ube neentjhijilo eziningi.
Out of that confession is where it came out these individuals indeed linked with the mass shooting.
Umsolwa oneminyaka ema-32 ubudala ovele ekhotho ye-Atteridgeville namhlanje uvumile ukuthi uyabandakanyeka ekudunyuzweni kwabantu ehostela iSoulsville lapha kubulewe khona abantu abali-12 kwalimala abali-13.
He was capable of providing me with academic perspectives to assist me with my classes at school, from politics to isiZulu to economics, history and English.
Uphekelelwe kiboyisemkhulu namhlanje usomkhandlu walokhu wezempilo eGauteng uBrian Hlongwa. Indodana yakhe ithi bafunde elikhulu ngepolitiki kuyise. Kelanga lokugcina lomnyaka ka-2025 solo sakhuteleka ngako ukuthi sikulethele indaba ngelimi elitsengeleko lesiNdebele akwande mbukeli. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ufisela amaSewula Afrika umnyaka omutsha onempumelelo. Uthi umnyaka ka-2025 ube neentjhijilo eziningi kodwa konke kuzakulunga ngomnyaka ka-2026.
My fellow South Africans, a new year is upon us. As we welcome the new year, we do so with reflection, resolve and hope. The year behind us was not easy. Many South Africans face the strain of a myriad of challenges over the past year. It continues to be a matter of concern that many South Africans are unemployed and that poverty and inequality persist. The high cost of living has imposed huge burdens on South African households. Many communities live in fear of gangsters. Women and children live in fear of gender-based violence and femicide. The delivery of basic services in our cities, in our towns and villages are often disrupted or do not exist at all. These are difficult and complex challenges faced by many of our people. I acknowledge these difficulties plainly and give assurance that your struggles are known and understood. We are continuing to take a variety of actions to address these challenges. Our success in addressing these challenges includes working together in partnership between the government, business, labor, civil society, and every citizen committed to the future of our country. We look back on the many initiatives we have taken to address our challenges. On reflection, we are encouraged by the emerging progress that is laying the foundation for even better progress in the year ahead. Yes, much more still needs to be done. We therefore enter the new year with renewed hope, greater purpose, and even greater confidence in the potential of our great nation and its people. I wish you a happy and blessed new year. May God continue to bless South Africa and protect its people in 2026.
Ikhotho kaMagistrata we-Atteridgeville lithulisele ngomhlolanja umnyaka ozako. Icala lomsolwa oneminyaka ema-32 ubudala osolwa ngokudumuza abantu ehostela iSoulsville ekuthomeni kwenyanga le. Kubulewe abantu abali-12, kwalimala abali-13 isehlakalweni si. Ummangalelwa uthweswe amacala ali-12 okubulala nali-13 okulinga ukubulala. Igama likammangalelwa likavezwa ngoba ihlelo lokufaniswa kwabasolwa likabi ukwenzeka.
Imbikindaba khange zivunyelwe bona zithatha inthombe ngaphakathi kwekhotho ngoba ihlelo lokufanisa umsolwa lingakenzeki kunye nemininingwane lumelako iphenyo naliragako. Amapholisa athi ummangalelwa uvuma icala okwenza bona icala libe budisi.
Out of that confession is where it came out these individuals indeed linked with the mass shooting in Soulsville, Atteridgeville.
Ummangalelwa uvele ekhotho kaMagistrata ePolokwane ngelesibili ngecala lokufunyana nesigidi kunye nenkuli ezingasisemthethweni. Ukomishinara wamapholisa eGauteng uThobe Mthombeni uthi icaleli lingahlala lihlanganiswe namanye.
Yesterday he appeared once more again in Polokwane, of which the matter is postponed to the 19th, and today he appeared here for the murder of 12 people and attempted murder for 13 people.
Amalungu omphakathi afuna ubulungiswa.
Atteridgeville and Soulsville, we were so aggrieved about what happened inside the court, but there's nothing that we can do. We need to respect the process of the court.
Kusafunana nabanye abasolwa ababili.
Umndeni kaBrian Hlongwa ungasekho ephasini uhlabe kumbi isehlakalo sokusahlelwa kukasomkhandlu wezempilo walokho eGauteng uDr Vusi Hlongwa usole ingcinyana zabantu engakavezwa amabizo azo kokusahlela uHlongwe ngaso sonke isikhathi ecobe ngaphambi kokuthi kubanjwe ama-conference we-ANC nofana amakhetho welizwe.
Sisaraga isiminyaminya emkhawulweni welibombo njengoba nabantu basachinga eMozambique ukuyogidinga umnyaka omutsha.
We are from South Africa. We're going all the way to Mozambique for the New Year crossover.
I'm going to Mozambique for my holidays.
Ibandla lawule emkhawulo lithwenyekile ngezenzo zobulelesi ezenzeka lapha. Emalangeni amabili adlulileko kubanjwa abantwana abama-25 bakhamba nabantu abadala abama-27. Amadoda amabili atshachululiwe kanti abantwana nabo amabili babekwe endaweni ephephileko.
With minors that are found to be undocumented, those cases are referred to the Department of Social Development, which is currently deployed also here at the port.
N4 kukhamba kuhle kodwa kusesenabatshayeli abagijimisa kakhulu.
The traffic law enforcement officers have arrested about 3 males who were driving at about 177, 161 and 165 kilometers per hour respectively in a 120 kilometer per hour zone.
Zithi zizabelibekile lihlelo libukhali namhlanje ebusuku njengoba nabantu abanengi bazabe bagidinga iminyanya ungena eminyakeni omutsha. Kulindele ukuthi kube nesiminyaminya endleleni ngempela veke.
Bukeli indaba esanda ukuthulela yona ngethi ibandla elawula emkhawulo liqinisa amahlelo okwehlisa izenzo zobulelesi esangweni lomkhawulo ilibombo phakathi kweSouth Africa neMozambique emalangeni amabili adluleko kubanjwe abantwana abama-25 nabebeqa umkhawulo ngaphandle kwamaphepha afaneleko. Ake sibuyele kinasiya indaba kaHlongwa.
Hlongwa usola ngasuthi kwarerwa ngaboma amaqhinga wezepolitiki ukubona uHlongwa athweswe icala lokukhwabanisa ubukhohlakali nelokukhukhutisa imali egada aqalene nalo. Ukhulumela umndeni uDr Vusi Hlongwa uthi uBrian wasebenzisa imali yakhe yokugcina yepensheni ukubhadela amagcwetha azomjamela ecaleni lobukhohlakali ebekaqalene nalo.
There was a particular time that the media will come to castigate Brian. It was always around election time, always around elections, whether ANC elections or national elections. So, bekukhona isandla esinoboya just to make sure that my brother does not lift his finger. Even now, they're saying the trial was around April. Why around April? Because elections were just about to come.
Abendazana ababili bakaHlongwa khange baphumelela ukuza emgcwabeni kayise ngombana bayafunda ngaphetsheya. Indodana yakhe uThami Hlongwa uveze indima elinywe nguyise ekubafundiseni ngepolitiki kunye nekhambo lepilo.
He was capable of providing me with academic perspectives to assist me with my classes at school, from politics to isiZulu to economics, history and English, always there to offer critical proofreading of essays or creative writing pieces. Throughout all I accomplished in my life, my dad never put any pressure on me to perform. I believe he had his own subtle way of supporting me, as he always trusted and expected me to succeed.
Isekela likaMengameli uPaul Mashatile ubuka umsebenzi welutsha lama-80s ngendima elayilimako kuhulumende wangaloso sikhathi ukulwisana nombuso webandlululo.
We recall that he was not just a foot soldier of our movement, but an architect of the mind and a contributor to the politics of the ANC, as well as a transformation of the Gauteng provincial government.
Umashatile uthi uBrian Hlongwa ubeyazi politiki, afundisa khulu ngayo begodu bekazithobile, amholi ozinikeleko ngalokho akwenzako.
Nasibuya ento.
Sithi kuwe okuhle kodwa Happy New Year.
Umphathi wendaba zesiNdebele uVusi Ndlovu kaSomakhawula uthi nakumnono phezu kwababukeli bendaba zesiNdebele sikhula ngako. Sisaziphethe lapha indaba mbukeli kanina zikuphundileko ziyatholakala ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirake nazo. Umphathi kaMasipalata iThembisiliani uDumisani Mahlangu nomhleli we-All White Picnic uFortune Skhosana bathi kulindeleke abantu abazinkulungwana ezili-15 ukuthi bagambele umnyanya waqobe eminyaka okwamukela umnyaka omutsha ezithabiseni eMpumalanga kusasa. Bathi lokhu kuzokuba nomthelelo omuhle kezivakatshobukelo endaweni ezikuMasipalata lo. Umbiki indaba we-SABC uKamfat Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Qobe eminyaka aye kubenjeke kule ndawo yokuletha izithabiseni eMpumalanga. Abantu baphume ngobuningi ngelanga lokthoma lomnyaka baphelele ngezambatho ezimhlophe bayokwamukela umnyaka omutsha. Balehle emgwengweni nenselo zabo ezimakhaza, kusiwe nenyama, kulalelwa umvumo okujidwe. Nanonyaka kulindeleke bona kube ngisweso. Umphathi kaMasipalata weThembisiliani uDumisani Mahlangu nomhlelo omnyanya lo uFortune Skhosana bathi amalungiselelo araga kuhle khulu konke sekujame ngokwekhabo lakhona.
Siqale plus minus 15,000 yabantu abazokuza nge-1 zakaJanuary. Inamba enkulu leyo desukomna uthi uyaqala i-security cluster nayo ikhona namhlanje ibhizi yaqala ukuthi izinto zijame ngendlela erehe na. Sazi ukuthi umuntu wonke uzokuza la ngesithabiseni uzokwazi ukuthi aphephe kungabi nenkinga ethize.
Abantu bangayilindela unyaka lo ukukhamba kuhle kwenkoloyi ukungena egeyidini, ukubukeka kwendawo njengoba nibona ukuthi indawo siyazama ukuthi ilungiseke, ama-performers, abaculi, konke manje ukuthi kuhambe kuhle unyaka lo njengoba sibambisene neMpumalanga Tourism neThembisiliani Municipality.
Umahlangu uthi indlela engenako nanyana ingakapheli nje kodwa ilungiswe khudlwana kuneminyaka edlulileko, kodwa abantu fuze beze baphathele futhi amathikithi ezandleni ukwenzela bona kungabi nesiminyaminya nakungenwako. Izakhamuzi ziveze zikulindeleko kule All White Picnic ka-2026.
Expect ukubona abo DJ abaningi njengoba babekileko bafike sikhona ukujabula unyaka suhlonise kuhle kamnandi khulu.
All White lapha silindele ubumnandi obukhulu la kwaNdebele. Nathi siba abantu bekwaga sijabulile siyongena abavumi babalapha bangijabulisa kakhulu.
Singajabula uFortune nakangasenzela konke kuhle lokhu asithembise khona. Ngabe ukuthi nasifika lapha indawo esihlezi kiyo sesiyanethwa.
Abahleli babawa bazokukhambela umnyanya lo bona balandele yonke imithetho bayifumene lapho efaka hlangana neyokuqinisekisa bona akonakala imthangalasisekelo nebhoduluko.
Bathi-ke nendlela zokulawula ubungeno bakhona la kule ndawo yokuletha sebabulungisile bazokwenza kube nendlela elula yokungena. Endabeni ze-SABC ngikuKamfat Masombuka ngikubikela ngisezithabiseni eMpumalanga.
Namhlanje siyawuvala umnyaka u-2025 sisekupheleni. Silitafula lendaba zesiNdebele sithanda ukuthokoza ababukeli bethu ngokubambisana nokusebenzisana nathi bekufike lapha indaba zesiNdebele ezinababukeli abangaphezulu kwengidigidi ezimbili qobe lilanga. Kanti enkundleni zokuthintana sinabalandeli abangaphezulu kwekhulu lenkulungwana. Umbiki indaba wethu uNontokozo Sikhosana usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Esikhathini esidlulileko ngaphambi kokujuguluka kwesakheko sendaba, ababukeli khabahlathululwa njengabantu abamukela ilwazi elisabalalisiweko njengombandala njalo ngaphandle kokulibuyekeza nokukhulumisana ngalo nalabo abalisabalalisako. Kodwa naye ekuhambeni kwesikhathi izazi zaveza umbono wokuthi abantu abasamukeli ilwazi njengombandala njalo kodwa bayalibuyekeza bakhulumisane ngalo bebabuze imibuzo. Ngelimi lesingisi bathi passive receivers of information. Ukukhamba nesikhathi nokuphumelelisa imiqopho yezokurhatsha iphiko lendaba le-SABC layithola ihlelo lokuthumela umbono ngokutlola umlayezo ekhasini le-Facebook ngo-2015. Ngo-2016 itafula lendaba zesiNdebele lasungula ihlelo lokuthumela umbono ngokugadangisa ividiyo uyithumele ku-WhatsApp. Lokhu akhange kunikela ababukeli ithuba lokuveza umbono kwaphela kodwa kutshengise netuthuko ekhona ekorweni yezokurhatsha. Ababukeli balamukele ngezandla zombili ihlelo li kwangangokuthi umuntu abe ajamise nomsebenzi kwenzela ukuthi athumele umbono wakhe. Kanti abanye sele babosaziwako ngendaweni zangikhabo ngokuthumela umbono.
Ngavela endabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 hayi sengiyicelebrate eFantini.
Babe badose nomtato babuze ukuthi kanti umbuzo welanga uza kufakwa nini ekhasini le-Facebook.
Nabantu la sihlala khona bayatsho bathi siyathokoza imibono le yenu iyasakha.
Konke emalanga ngihlala ngilizile sihloko selisuku ukuthi umbono ngabe utawuthini.
Kodwa ke yona ayinhle kakhulu kunje phela kwesikhathi ke iyayibe emfishane kakhulu.
Silitafula lendaba zesiNdebele sizibophelele eqinisekiseni ukuphumelelisa umnqopho we-SABC ekukulethela indaba ngobunjalo bazo ngaphandle kokuthatha ihlangothi. Kanti siyakuthokoza nawe mbukeli ngokuhlanganyela nathi qobe ngabomvulo ngaboLesithathu nangabanye abolesihlanu ngo-5:30 ku-SABC 1. Sithi nangomnyaka ozako akube njalo. Ukuthumela umbono endabeni zesiNdebele beka ilihlo ekhasini lethu le-Facebook @SABC Zindaba. Uthumela umbono wakho ku-078 459 0612. NginguNontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Asicale umbono wakho mbukeli ngokuthi bekakuphethe njani umnyaka ka-2025.
Nechutu ngoba kube mnyaka onezulu.
Ukhambele kuhle khulu unyaka lo akukho la ngilila khona.
Ngisebenza esikolweni teacher assistant at least ngaleyo mali ngikwazile ukuthi at least ngithola indawo yami yokuhlala ngisarent.
Andifuna uxoka. Kange ube mnandi ku. Ubona nje uphela. Ubona nje uphela namhlanje. Sithi inkosi.
Ngizange ngibe nenkinga into zami amsorry bezizikhambele kuhle.
Unyaka lo umnyaka ukulila bekungana amaqiniso omkhathi silile ngobuningi sithemba ukuthi unyaka ozako uzasiphathela okuhle kuphela mkhathi.
Umbono ngeumbukele SABC ayizokuthwaswa umlando ukuziphendulela kombono umbukeli. Itafula lendaba zesiNdebele lithokoza licedi babukeli ngokulisekela umnyaka wonke bekufike ekupheleni kwawo. Umphathi wendaba zesiNdebele uvusa indlovu kaSomakhawula uthi babukeli nomnyaka ozako nisingathe kangako.
Khaya ema-iri nambalwa ukusukela nje uyaphela umnyaka ka-2025 seyamela eminyakeni ka-2026. Sithanda ukuthokoza kuwe mbukeli ngesekelo osinikele lona sizindaba zesiNdebele lapha kwa-SABC. Sithokoza singazinzisi ngokuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi nasikubawa bona thumela imbono yakho enkundleni zokuthintana weqela phezulu ngaphandle kokuhliniza. Lokho ke kubonakaliswe nazinomboro zendaba zethu lapha kwa-SABC njengoba indaba zesiNdebele kwa-SABC zibalwa hlangana nendaba ezikhula msinyana. Konke lokho kwenziwa nguwe mbukeli ngokuthi ukuthi uhlale unathi, uhlale ulalela, uhlale ubukela ngaso sonke isikhathi nasikhuluma nawe. Kanti njengoba ke uphela umnyaka ka2025 seyamela ku2026, sikufisela umnyaka omuhle onempumelelo, umnyaka onekuthalo etsha, umnyaka onethando, umnyaka onehlokomelo nembusiso kunye nomkhanyo ongafiphaliko. Sithi kuwe okuhle kodwa, Happy New Year.
Nasiphosa ilihloke ezimali, iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu.